Hello guys, welcome back to Tech Tricks Tutorials, and today we're gonna show you how to get Billie Eilish in Infinite Craft. This is very easy. So first you're gonna grab water and water and water, and then earth and more earth to have continent, and then we're gonna add lake to have America. So we're gonna add earth and then wind to have dust, and more wind to have sandstorm, add sandstorm to have dust storm, add more sandstorm to have dust bowl, and then we add dust to the America to get drum, and then add it all together to have 2016, and add ocean and ocean and ocean to have 2020. Leave it aside. Now we have dust and then lake to have mud, and then dust, add fire and lake to have phoenix, add to mud to have bird, then we add ocean and more ocean to have tuxedo, then we add wind, then water, more water to have tsunami, add to tuxedo and we have James Bond, and add to 2020 to have no time to die. We have earth and fire, and then water, more water to have rock. Then we have water and earth to have plant, more plant to have tree. Then fire and wind to have smoke, ocean to have fog, more ocean to have fish. Then we add tree to the fish to have seaweed, add more fish to have sushi, and add seaweed to have roll. Add this roll to the rock, and we have music. Then add this music to No Time to Die, and we have Billie Eilish. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thank you for watching.